Want to make money online? Print on demand or Pod is the answer. With Pod, you sell custom products without holding any inventory. No more packing or shipping headaches, just pure profit. Imagine this. A customer buys a t-shirt with your awesome design from your online store. You get the order. You send it to Yoycol. Yoycol makes the shirt and ships it directly to your customer. You make money, easy. Pod is perfect for anyone who wants to be their own boss. It's low risk and high reward. You can work from anywhere in the world. All you need is passion and a little bit of hustle. Yoycol is the best pod partner you could ask for. They offer high-quality printing on a wide range of products. From t-shirts to mugs to phone cases, they have it all. With Yoycol, you can create unique products that stand out from the crowd. Their easy-to-use design tools let you customize anything. Plus, their global shipping is fast and affordable. That means happy customers all over the world. First things first, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What do people want to buy? Think about your interests and hobbies. Research popular trends. Look for a niche that is profitable but not too crowded. Once you find your niche, you can start creating designs that people will love. Now it's time to unleash your creativity. Design eye-catching designs that resonate with your target audience. Use tools like Canva or Adobe Photoshop. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles and colors. Get feedback from friends and family. Remember, your designs are the heart of your pod business. Welcome to Section 5, Step 3. Yoycol makes it easy. Uploading your designs to Yoycol is super simple. Just create an account, choose your products, and upload your designs. Yoycol takes care of the rest. They handle the printing, packaging, and shipping. You can focus on what you do best, creating awesome designs and marketing your brand. Section 6, Step 4, from store to success. Next, you need an online store to sell your products. You can create your own website or use platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Amazon. Connect your Yoycol account to your store so that orders are automatically fulfilled. It's that easy. Now you're ready to start selling. Section 7. Step 5. Shout it from the rooftops. You've got amazing products. Now you need to tell the world. Use social media, paid advertising, and email marketing to promote your brand. Run contests and giveaways. Collaborate with influencers. Get creative and have fun with it. Section 8. Unlocking more sales secrets revealed. Want to boost your sales? Top sellers use user-generated content or UGC to skyrocket their profits. Encourage customers to share pictures of themselves using your products. UGC is like word-of-mouth marketing on steroids. It's authentic, engaging, and incredibly effective. Start leveraging UGC today. Section 9. Your pod journey starts today. The pod world is your oyster. You can build a successful business from anywhere in the world with a little bit of hard work and dedication. Yoycol is your trusted partner every step of the way. What are you waiting for? Start your pod journey today and unlock your true earning potential. Visit yoycol.com to learn more and start creating. Visit the link in the description to learn more and start creating.